Replacing the battery on your Acer Nitro 5 AN515-54-59CA is very doable at home, but unlike older laptops, this model has an internal battery, so you'll need to open the back panel. Before you start, shut down the laptop completely. Unplug charger and all devices. Work on a flat, static-free surface. Remove all screws, around 10 to 12. Use a plastic tool to gently pry open the back panel. You'll hear small clicks, that's normal. Locate and disconnect the battery. The battery is the long black unit at the bottom. Carefully unplug the battery connector from the motherboard. Use your fingers or a plastic tool, don't pull wires. Install the new battery. Place the new battery in the same position. Screw it in securely. Reconnect the battery cable.